Hey y'all, it's Spiceda, but I wanted to jump on to give my PPP update and let you guys know what's going on. Hi, I'm Spiceda Jackson, the accountant you guys want to work with when your business is out of shape. All right, and you want to structure and strategize to increase your profits and reduce your taxes. All right, so I wanted to give you guys an update on PPP. So PPP. So I've had a lot of people that have struggled with PPP over the last couple of days, and I've actually had a talk with one of the major banks who I've had quite a few clients go through, and I asked this question. I said, if you have a business that's an S corporation, and they have not processed payroll, are you guys going to give them PPP? Because I've had a couple of clients get denied, and those clients were organizations or businesses that were S corporations that had not processed payroll. Now, if you're going with a major bank, and I'm not going to say names, but I'll call out some major banks, right? We have Bank of America, we have Wells Fargo, we have Chase Bank. But I know, for example, for Bank of America, I will say they are not issuing loans to S corporations that have not processed payroll. All right, they're looking for Schedule C's, which serve as your income tax return and your employment tax return. And they're looking for actual employment tax returns, which is the Form 940, Form 941. So if you're in business and you have not processed payroll, meaning you have not paid yourself, or let me not say that. If you're in business and you're a sole proprietor and you are a Schedule C, you have processed payroll by merely filing your Schedule C. All right? The Schedule C is your payroll tax return. It is proof that you paid yourself. So if you do your Schedule C and at the end of your Schedule C you have income, I want you to take that income, divide it by 12, and multiply it by 2.5. That is the loan amount that the bank will give you. I know for sure in the case of Bank of America, that is how they're determining how much you owe. They're taking your annual net income and they're dividing it by 12 to come up with the monthly income, and they're multiplying that monthly income by 2.5. Now, if you're a Schedule C, you can use your 2019 Schedule C or your 2020 Schedule C. You can use your 2020 Schedule C even if you have not yet filed your tax return. So guys, let's get it together. Let's get in shape. Now, if you really want to get access to the PPP money and you want to spend your time there, then let's get it right. Let's make sure that we have, number one, we have tax returns at least through 2019. Okay. Number two, that we at least have our numbers ready for 2020 so that if we are a Schedule C, we could put that information on a Schedule C so that we could see what our income is. Now, if you're not a Schedule C and you're S Corp or a C Corporation, if you have filed if you've done payroll like through a third-party service, whether that's QuickBooks, ADP, Gusto, Paychecks, those are some of the main ones or major ones that will come top of mind for me. Those companies have the payroll reports that you need to provide to the bank. You need to get your 940, your 941s for every quarter. I would say every quarter in 2020 and every quarter in 2019, just so you have it, so that you, when you get ready to apply for PPP, it only takes about, let's say, 15 minutes to an hour to do the application, depending on how much you need to attach. But guys, if you do all the pre-work, it's really easy to go ahead and apply for the loan and get access. Now, if you're applying for the second round, you gotta have your accounting done for 2020 because you need to prove that you had a 25% decline for at least one quarter or one period, and period can be defined by the bank or will be defined by that bank for one period of when comparing 2019 to 2020. So you have to show a decline in 2020 when comparing it to 2019. All right. That's what I've learned. I've had a lot of clients experience a lot of frustrations or not even know that they can apply for the PPP. If you are a Schedule C and they're asking for a employment tax return like a 940 or a 941, you probably answered your question wrong on your application. You need to go back through the application and let them know that you are a solo owner LLC. And in that case, they will expect you to attach to your PPP application your Schedule C from your 1040, which is your personal tax return. Guys, you could get access to this money. You got to just be prepared. Now, if you don't have your accounting ready and you don't have your Schedule C ready, we can help you with that. This is tax season and we are busy. We're busy. It's tax season. It's PPP, but we're not too busy for you. We can help you, but you got to follow through our processes. If you would like to work with us, we ask you to complete a client information form and schedule your meeting. It is a $150 deposit to get on our books because, like I said, things are busy. I want to make sure that we're working with serious people who really, really want to get their business in shape and get access to PPP money. All right. To work with us, you can complete your client information form, which costs you nothing, at www.bit.ly. That's www.bit.ly/I love my accountant, all lowercase. If you're a business owner, you could get started with us by just filling out that application. If you would like to get on my books, you can go to my Calendly, which is www.calendly.com/tax plus365/tax preparation. If you stop at Tax Plus 365, you'll see the other options we have available to get started. But come on, y'all, it's busy season. We are a few days, like less than 2 weeks away from the business tax deadline. So I'll be putting out a link over the weekend or by Tuesday for you guys to go ahead and start letting us know if you need to file an extension because you need more time. There's no reason for you to rush and get your taxes done and get them wrong. Just file an extension and take your time. But make sure that if you're a C corporation, you've paid your taxes by March 15th so that you don't have any penalties. And if you are an individual and you're filing a Schedule C, or if you're an individual, no Schedule C, you have until April 15th, right? That's less than 45 days right now to get your taxes done. All right. Let me know if you got any questions. Put it down here in the comment section. Thank y'all for tuning in. And until next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that's up. I'm Spiceda Jackson, the accountant you want to work with when your business is out of shape and you want to structure and strategize to move your profit up and turn your taxes down. All right. Bye, y'all. Have a great day.